Finally, some of our viewers are also unhappy that Pranab Da has gone and levied service charge on hospital visits and treatment. They want to know, for somebody who's so bothered about the Aam Aadmi and so careful about ensuring that the Aam Aadmi stays happy, why does Pranab Da want to tax that?
First of all, you will have to keep in mind that all government hospitals from where the large number and Aam Aadmi get the benefit, they are from the government hospitals, they are totally exempt. Certain persons who are, there is first an anomaly, those who pay directly the bill and those whose bills are being paid either by the insurance companies or by the some other entities. So that anomaly has also been removed. Secondly, you shall have to keep in mind about the service tax, and the discussion is going on. A large number of experts believe that contribution of the service sectors in the overall GDP is so high, and tax coming out of that service sector is no match. Therefore, there should be a negative list of service tax and all others should be brought within the service tax net.
Okay.
But I have not done so. Why? Because here too also I want to convey a message that I am moving towards GST. GST, one of the basic objectives is both the states and the center should have common exempted list. There should be common rate. There may be dual rate for some time, but ultimately we shall have to converge in uniform rate. So keeping that in view, when I am talking that we should have GST, which is one of the most important tax reform, at the same time I cannot take the tax measure which will send a completely contradictory signal.
Okay.
There should be conformity. Keeping that in view, I have imposed service tax on certain areas.
Alright, you've walked a very tight rope. Thank you very much, Pranab Da, and we hope that you're able to implement, with the support of the opposition, some of the economic reforms you've been speaking about.
I do hope, but cooperation will have to come from them, and I appeal through you and through your media to them that yes, they are fully entitled to criticize where there are deficiencies according to them, and that is the quality of our polity. That is the function of multi-party democracy, but at the same time, in the larger national interest, they should also cooperate in getting these important reform legislations to be passed by Parliament.
Thank you very much, Pranab Da, for this interview. Thank you very much.